Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to verify identity on Google AdSense. Now this process is very simple and easy. What you should do is to simply go and open your Google AdSense and sign in into your account. And after signing in, here you will find an option saying payments. You just get on it, then click on payments info, and now you will have to click on verify now. Once you click on verify now, it will show here this message. You need to know that the ID that you should provide is a driving license, passport, national identity card, or even residence permit. Now click on start verification. After that, you'll have to provide your legal name plus select the ID type, whether it's a passport, national ID card, driving license, etc. After that, you'll have to upload the ID type, and after uploading, click on next. Then you'll have to provide your address according to what is in your identity or the ID. So you'll have to type the street address, the town, city, postcode, state, etc. After all that, click on submit. It will show here this message that the verification is successful. Click on got it. And if you want to make sure that you have successfully verified your identity, go to payments, then go to verification check, and you will find out that you have this completed word beside the identity verification. And you will also get an email address to your Gmail showing you that their verification is successfully done. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.